experienced goats sometimes fall to their deaths. But somehow, this little one has survived. This time, he makes it back to Mum. He's escaped death by the narrowest of margins. Their final destination lies at the base of a 500-foot cliff. Hidden amongst the rocks is a secret spring, rich in precious minerals the goats need to stay healthy.
This young chimp has discovered a cloud of bees. They're coming from a hole in a tree, and he knows that there could be something sweet in there. But it's well defended. The alpha male knows the kind of bee that doesn't sting. But they live underground, so to get their honey, you need a tool. A straight stick should do the job, if it's the right length. A sniff tells him that there is honey down there somewhere. Got it. He found it, and the others will have to wait. Looks nice. Is there enough for two, perhaps? Apparently not. Perhaps he's left some behind. No. To crack the shells open, they must strike the oyster in just the right place with their chosen tool. As the tide falls still further, it reveals the next course. You have to be ingenious to make a living on the coast. The returning water closes the beach restaurant for another day.
Born on the other side of the tracks. This young male is part of the mafia troupe. In Lopburi, they're finding everything they need is on tap. Life for them isn't so easy. Lopburi's city-savvy long-tailed macaques have successfully swapped the rainforest for a concrete jungle.